In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this out of the frame sticker effect in Canva. I already added the same image, but first we need to find the frame and go into the mockups. And here in the print, you can find this exactly the same frame. First, we need to duplicate the image and just drop it first, the original one. And for the second one, I'm just removing the background and holding the control button and just increasing the size. Of course, not in a good position. Going to the position and just swapping the position of the two images. And here is just moving to the right position. Crop the image. Of course, the size is too big. Just reduce the size. Still too big. It's still too big. Now it looks perfect. The only weird thing is, I don't know why, this looks like this frame has some kind of filter also. As you can see, the skin tones are a bit changed. So we need to add something to here in the middle or find a picture where it's not visible that much. I can imagine like the lighter skin colors is not that visible. But for this one, it's visible more, especially when I increasing the size. So if I put something to here to hiding a bit, that's for sure it's helps. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you're struggling anything in the Canva or just have a question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer it as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages. Plus, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee link when you can support me even with the smallest amount. Even the smallest amount is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.